Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Please Close Interception before starting the game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix the Please Close Interception before starting the game error, follow these steps carefully. First, open up your web browser and go to this GitHub link. Make sure to go to this one and download the file named interception.zip. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever it was saved. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All, then click Extract. This will create a new folder containing the extracted files, but you don't need to open or modify anything inside it. Next, open your Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Inside the command prompt, you will need to enter two specific commands. The first command will likely be provided with the download. Copy the first command, then right-click in the command prompt to paste it, and press Enter. Once that's done, copy the second command, paste it into command prompt the same way, and press Enter again. After both commands have been successfully entered, restart your PC. This process should disable or properly unregister the interception driver that may be conflicting with your game. Once your computer restarts, the error message should no longer appear, and you should be able to launch your game without issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Please Close Interception before starting the game. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.